Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Idoing head unit, which I received from Idoing directly. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. You will see a friend of mine and myself to replace it in my friend's Suzuki Swift. This particular head unit was requested to the Suzuki Swift directly, but you can get some other types, obviously depending on your car. Other than that, what you will see in the video is that we replace or exchange the factory Suzuki Swift head unit with the Idoing head unit. However, there will be two screws missing. I will point them out in the video where they are. But because there was another Android head unit in the Suzuki Swift before, and obviously it would be a bit silly to show on that one how to replace it. So we put back the original factory head unit and then install the Idoing. So without any further ado, let's go ahead.
You were passing by, surrounded by all those butterflies. Suddenly they flew right in my heart. Must have looked like a living piece of art. From that moment I knew that it would be you. Yeah, from that moment I knew it could only be you. I wrote your name up on my wall, circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone.
closer to ya. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. 'Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free. You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you.
Alrighty, boys and girls, so that was the installation of the Idoing head unit. I mentioned at the beginning of the video that there was another Android head unit originally in the car because my friend replaced it some time ago. This is the one. It's a completely other brand. I'm not going to mention which one is it. Just for your info, this one has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, whilst the Idoing has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, so double of everything. Tons of space and so much faster compared to this one. When you put the ignition on, then the Idoing head unit almost instantly fires up. This one takes a good few seconds, even like a half a minute or so, until it boots up. And even during the operation, the Idoing has a so much better screen than this, better resolution, faster, snappier, more functions. It's so much better. Obviously, my friend used this one for many years, and at least I think like almost 5 years now, 4 years at least. And instantly he fell in love with the Idoing. It was so much faster, and that's the most important because I have never used it, only recorded a couple of videos with it previously. But other than that, he's the one who's using it on a daily basis, and for him the difference was day and night compared the old Android head unit and the new Idoing. By the way, if you are interested in buying the Idoing head unit, there will be a link in the video's description. Where can you get it? It's a link directly to the manufacturer. What else to mention? As I said, so many more rather functions compared to the old Android head unit he had. It has sat-nav, you can install mobile data, SIM card in it. It has the GPS receiver, tons of other features. It has obviously Android on it. It is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. What else? Yeah, you've seen me playing video on it, just small print. By default, this function is disabled for safety reasons. You can enable showing the videos, but of course safety first. Please keep in mind, never watch videos whilst the car is on the move. Whilst you are waiting for the kids at the school or whatever, sure, why not, but never watch videos whilst the car is on the move, and yeah, it can be very dangerous. But other than that, one more thing I really liked, the old Android head unit. This one reports that it has Android 11, I believe. If it's not correct, I will put in the video's description what it says. But in reality, it's Android 8, and the Idoing head unit, it reports Android 12 as an operating system, and it is Android 12, so it doesn't lie about the version number. As I said, so much snappier, so much faster, everything was considerably better. It was easy to switch over from the factory head unit. Literally it took, let's say, a few minutes, but of course, because of recording the videos, and we had to like put back the factory head unit first, so we spent some time on it. But thinking it through, the process, how it was done, everything was so simple. You could plug everything in almost to one single location, not too many cables. Even this way, we skipped a couple of cables. You might have seen it at the end of the video where I've shown also the installation manual. We did not install all the cables because we didn't need those ones for this particular car, but in your case it might be completely different. So all in all, it was literally, let's say, a matter of minutes, but not more than half an hour to switch over if you are not recording, and yeah. So all in all, I can hands-on hard recommend. It's a super good unit, so much faster than the old one. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.